sa so, gagawa kami na, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Fabric conditioner. Fabric conditioner. Wow. I'm so very interested how to make a fabric conditioner with my ate Sisa. With my ate Loida. Gagawa kami ng detergent, guys. Bago mag-trading, merienda muna. Wow, galing. Meron akong certification.